To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Every day I pray for a better day. Struggle seems to always be blocking the way. I'm on a mission to fulfill my dreams. Trouble is all I see. Wake me up when it's my time for victory. Set my spirit free. Yeah. Oh, they say love is the key, but every door has been broken. No, I'm just trying to stay alive. I'm just tired of all these lies. Gotta save my sanity. Yeah, please wake me up when it's my time for victory. Set my spirit free. Yeah, wake me up. Yeah, every move I make, I'm always missing one step. Gotta find the strength to move. God, it hurts to lose, but we not give up. Yes, I'm gonna move along, but today I'm not feeling strong. Now pain got the best of me, so I'm gonna lay down. Wake me up when it's my time for victory.
Hey, Mr. Campbell. How are you doing? Well, I'm fine, you know. You place ready? Oh, you know, to tell you the truth, me still I think about it. Like, me no make up my mind yet. Like, me no know if me ready to move out yet. Me understand, and I really appreciate so you call me and I tell me say you place ready. Just give me a little bit more time. I'm glad I have that as a second option. Yes. Give me a little bit more time and make up my mind. Like, I'm not fully make up my mind yet. Hello, we are friends. We are good friends. Just keep it there, sir. Yeah, no make it go further than that. Yeah, right there, sir. Stop it, man. You're a big man. Alright, later, keep me posted. Alright. Pinky!
Yeah.
Pinky, come here.
This how
Me not understand you. As a mega child, like me really don't understand you. Like me gotta work every day just for help in Wallawi, right? And Pinky, you last get up out of bed. You there here, you not work, you not do nothing, you can't tidy up your place as a young girl. Like when you're ready to go live with your husband or whatever, so you go left your place.
You gotta work. So what? I'm there. I relax. You know, see, I chill, me I chillax, girl. I want you. Eh?
I must prank, yeah, prank.
Which prank? Which part of the prank for me? How happened?
Pinky, you know, so you have to do better. You have to do better. Like me sick and tired of this. Me tired of it, girl. Like me can't take the environment with me and you and brother no more. Like you not suffocate me.
What?
You
How if you suffocate you? How if you suffocate? Yeah, here. Yeah, here. Here how we take in and let out. Yeah, here. Girl, I'll leave me if you suffocate and move suffocate.
Watch out, all the curtain drop down. You not even would have put up your back. If she want change, your house want wipe, sweep out, everything. You no cook nothing. Wagwan.
So what make you carry something for me eat? Girl,
Me?
what your problem? What is your problem?
My problem is you have to grow up and be a big woman.
Wow, that will never happen. I live my best life. Grew up where?
You know what I'm saying? I can't go stay here with you now. I can't take him, man. God no. You make me feel like I'm a mother. You make me feel like every day I'm here for them do the all I sitting them, go work, come back in time, they cook food. No? How's what?
Yeah, so what you make for? What you make for?
Really? Honestly?
My friend, let me tell you something, my friend. I was my sister, my friend, let me tell you this. Just don't provoke the spirit and know why all this nonsense come up in your head now. What problem?
Because me come from work, I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm want to do some work on my laptop. And I can't lie down in my bed because this is a bit of hot, uncomfortable, dirty, dusty, everything. And the ground have too much dirt panning. I can't feel comfortable doing work in this place. Matter of fact, in this environment.
Wow. Miss Perfect. Miss Independent. I am so sick and tired of you. You just come in here and you just yap.
You're sick and tired of
I am so tired of you.
Like seriously?
I need you to just give me a break, man. Give me a break, girl.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a break, you know.
You don't want to live free life?
I'm gonna give you
You want to get up every day and work? You're so tidy. Come in and eat free foods? No, you cannot do that, sis. You cannot live like that.
Oh, so.
You're them mad. Okay.
No, me the craze.
Yes, I
That's
see.
what I'm doing.
You're them mad.
I'm crazy. But
See?
guess what? Know yourself. I know one day a monkey go and want water, you know. And then as you leave, drop my water bottom me right.
I'm in a gym porridge and it's too hot.
Alright. Cow never know you side tail until it can.
You're lucky.
And you bad lucky.
Me know. Oh.
Where your brother there, by the way?
Me no know.
Where you ever know?
No.
Where you ever know?
No, me no know. Me only know if you lay down rent free. Oh, sister, watch out this side. Massage back for me now.
As what?
Massage me back.
What call your man?
My man?
Crazy.
No man, I know that too.
Pinky, just start up a place so I can get for the more work, please.
Look at now. Go buy something for me to eat now.
Come for buy.
Me feel free. One barbecue pizza.
How much for that, Pinky?
3,000. Oh, I want him come in there when I have to give brother none. Split it. Half. Yes,
no, you have to give your brother some. When you go eat, you know, say you not going to eat nothing.
Since as him taking money go buy gathering, make him care about the gathering and take back the money and buy something put in his body. And that thing if you do.
No, man.
And the same way like when I take a look at 2,000, I go over. I don't want to tell you what I do with the 2,000 the money you get them, you know.
What am I doing with the money?
You go buy.
Buy what?
Eh?
What
Buy.
you talk about?
You go buy female. And then he come in drunk. I don't like that little dirty boy now.
What?
Anyways, I'm brother stills. I love him. But alright, me soon tidy up. Let me just hold a 5.
I go take a walk because I'm kind of tired and my brain they hurt. That's all a good for you.
Wait. There you go. They come in with a problem them. Sit you and energy. Touch your road too.
I'm surprised to see you here. You know, me couldn't tell when me see you.
Girl, you know, I said true, me at work. I'm busy or something.
Anyways, you don't plan to move out. You don't plan to move out.
You know, say that me contact you about?
Yeah, man, cause your brother, your sister, them they too worthless. And if you stay at the house there too long, you got turn worthless too.
Me did I talk to a man named Mr. Campbell.
Mr.
You know him?
Mr. Campbell. That name the son familiar.
Yeah, he have one place of rent. And me and him did I talk for a day about it. But
Yeah, man, me know that said Mr. Campbell there.
yes.
Yeah, man.
But
You and him can't deal, you know.
Amanda.
He will take care of you.
Amanda.
Me talk, girl. When you talk, me allow you to talk, man. He will take care of you. And if you want to run peace, you just run peace.
Amanda.
And you get anything where you want.
Amanda, you see why me not come to your hotel and my business?
I lie.
As a friend. Because me
As
come
a friend, me I tell you what to do. I saw you gonna get money. Maybe I'll talk about rent. Maybe I'll give you a house for yourself.
Listen, me no want that them man then too big. Me no want them more man.
Then
like
not the big man them have money, miss. You think of the young boy them?
You go listen me have to say?
Alright, talk.
Yeah. So yeah, man called me today and say place ready. But me did I tell him say me no make up my mind yet. Me no know if me want move out. Like me no feel me no ready.
You idiot?
What do I?
What you mean you don't feel like you want move? You idiot?
But my brother and my sister, you know what I say? I may help them really and truly.
Hold
I
on.
don't want to go left them. Even though they give me so much headache and problem.
Asleep, me asleep. Or reality. Yeah, hear what you say? What you mean?
You don't understand.
What you mean? You don't think other part they hold me now? What you mean you don't think they're gonna move out?
You don't understand. Me and them grew up. We grew up in a one house, one everything.
The whole no grow up, yes, that no mean say the whole no go under the one roof at this smell like chat foolishness. That no mean say the whole no go live under the same roof. We no get older. You not go want your little partner.
Yes.
You're not go want your girl, you make me there start chat all foolishness. You're not go want time for yourself. You're not go want freedom. Eh?
Come to think of it. Yeah, for true, you know. I think it's time for me just let go and go for my own.
No man, no let go and go for your own. Catch up in your house same way. Catch up in the side way. You see how me I live? Right now I'm me I pay my rent. And me I do everything for myself.
Not this year?
And I don't have a chicken and child. This no worry about this year. Buy your quit me gone. So you see, you best me tell you, I have to keep my advice. Take my advice. Because as a friend, me not go tell you wrong thing. And I don't want to see you go down the drain. So me not go tell you nothing. Me not go do this. What word be? That word there. You're supposed to understand what I mean.
I understand what you mean, but alright then.
You sound sick too.
Yeah, me a flu. Me go check Mr. Campbell now.
And give him a little something.
No, me not like you. You see when you're weird, that's why you're in a house like this. And me no want disrespect you, you're my friend. Leave me alone. Just let God reign with me. Feel
I feel better your life, you know. You think if I never feel better your life, would I tell you if you do it?
I know I feel better my life.
Exactly.
But
how you get money? You plan to work for people every day. I like to plan to do.
Girl, I forgot to have a good job. Me make a lot of money.
I still people you work for. Work for yourself, man. But be your own boss. See our son half dead. Be your own boss, man.
Alright, hello.
Stop work for people.
Later. Because I don't want to tell you nothing this evening, you know.
Actually, you know, say truth me attack.
I stay as a good abiding citizen. I stay as that.
Me vulgar, you know.
No, nobody know me dirty
I like people
deeds.
talk to me brawling. No grow on no bush when they talk to me, just chat.
Mama, me don't talk with you. Me don't check your man. Me tell you when me get through or whatever, me call up on your line. You hear?
My bird always active. Anyways, me did dep on a walk claim. Me did a talk to one claim before you approach me.
That's
But
all
you say?
good for you. You feel better your life, get a better job, and better your life.
My
and come up
job
and
is
talk about me.
perfectly fine.
Don't that's so soon done. Later, bye.
No! You know, come by yourself, you done. It's always a walk. You come by yourself, you walk. Not even work, walk. Hello.
Mr. Campbell.
Yes, no, no, Miss Marika. I keep me carry come here.
Yeah. But wait, me think you did go up my yard and tour me around the house.
No, me can't go by house right now. Me too busy for your house right now. So just take a key, go on up, they go do the tour and everything. Good. You send the money to me account?
Yeah, me go do that. But no, Mr. Campbell. But what if something pop off? You go
No
come up
worry
there.
about that. Maybe send somebody come look for an update, anything pop up. But here what? You should not send me all that money I can send come give me, you know. Me you can work out.
Mr. Campbell, remember say a business we are dealing with. We not deal with nothing like that. We don't mix business and pleasure together, Mr. Campbell. You're a big man, you have to stop it.
So you don't love money and you don't love nothing free.
Yeah, me love money, yes, but me work hard for my money.
Alright. Make sure alright. Me not cuss and me not quarrel. Just make sure say all of my money in a short, not even 3 days for the rent.
No, Mr. Campbell. Me can pay my rent. That's why I take the offer.
Alright, pay rent. But one thing I want to tell you, see if you hear any little sound around the house or anything, no worry man, and maybe I'll treat them a brush on the house to pass it, not to worry.
You sure?
Yes man, no worry man.
But you sure say house in a good condition though?
Listen man, a top tier house, no worry, house good.
Alright, me take your word for it to know, if nothing happen, me I call you.
Yeah man, call me anytime, anywhere, anytime. Alright?
Oh.
Yeah man. And if in case of anything, I'm not afraid. You're good. Don't worry about
You
that.
sure?
Yes. Don't worry
Mr.
about
Campbell,
that.
me no want to take no backdoor deal, you know.
Listen me man, you don't just say me a big man, you know.
Well, alright about that, you're a big man.
Alright. And please don't late for your rent, you know.
So true, me not take your offer, you're hard for me now.
You see my type of something I tell you about my money and then you tell me about hard pound. You know what? Just when we reach home, me check my account, just make sure say money in my account.
The money go send right now. Right now me go do it, Mr. Campbell.
Alright.
Alright, have a nice day. Nice day in business.
Yeah man. We send your receipt in email, alright?
Alright. So you can't carry call give me?
No, me not come up there.
Come on. At the gate, sir. Yes, sir. Which side should I go? Is it this side with the blue van? Okay. No problem, sir. Okay, sir. But wait, so Mr. Campbell, why is this blue van here? Really? Well, I'm sorry to hear that you wanna get missing. I'm really appreciate again for you give me a something. I wish me coulda do something in return for everything you do. No, Mr. Campbell. I'm not going on any date with you. Listen, a business we deal with, let's keep it there. Okay? Not more than business, Mr. Campbell. Alright. Thanks again. Yeah. Later. Wow. Gee. No, man. Oh my God. This is more than what I'm bargaining for. No, sir. All machine, fridge. This is so good. Hey bro, what's up? Well, me alright. As you can see, me not come home last night. So that's no, listen. What me I try to say to you is that me now come back down so. What you mean? No bro, I'm tell you, when me down there so me not comfortable, me not happy. So me have a good job, so me can rent one place down here so. When me know say me go comfortable like nobody now. You know, tell me what to do or treat me certain type of way to make me feel bad. Well, upon one scheme me day. Me good. Yeah. Me can send my location and make you know say you can come with me there anytime. No if no but no maybe so. You can come. Alright bro. No problem. As me say, me send my location. You're fussy bad. Your sister call me. Me go call her back. Hold on. What she a call me for? Me left down there so give them and she still a piss my life. And I like say you want me there. So why you call me and a question me for me? I'm my own big woman. Me do what I want to do. Me left down there so go no. Me gonna pay my own. Because me no know why in the first place me dey sit down there so we do know. And me have good job. Me rent somewhere. And me live down there so for unu. So unu stay for unu quarters and me stay at my quarters. You get it? So have a wonderful day. Here. Cause if me follow you, me sin myself today. Out another. Hello. Hey, Mark, listen to me. You come like you never did I hear what me I say yesterday. Me tell her say relationship over, done, finish. What you mean by? Listen to me. No, listen to me. Look how long me tell her say, me not comfortable this or me not happy this or. And you not do nothing at all about it like every time me I say stay man, stay, everything go change. Nothing not change every time, every day things get worse and worse. Listen, you not no way. You mad? Me no want to tell you so. Because all the thing you go come here suffer is sex. Because when me done so, every time you come my yard, a sex hour. Loving, that's all, and then I go about your business. You don't care about my mental health. You don't care about... Mark, don't make me sin myself in the early morning, yeah. Please, me I beg you. Yeah, me know, see you go down there. Because then call me and tell me see you come down there. That is not my business. You understand? You can't find me. That's all me can say to you. And tap call my phone. Delete my number, block and delete the other woman out there. And I all the woman dey on Godland. Because you not even have money to give me. Anytime I want to look at me, I do is I give you. Eh? When me I do it with a man like you? I want me to see now you. Me no love you again. Not anymore. Me once was full, but now me alright. Yes. Mark, avoid me. Leave me alone. Later. Hey bro. What's up? Yeah, come look for me? Alright. Me did done send a location from this morning, you know. Whatever. Or you can come here, we can you. Alright. Yeah man. Wait. I never come up in the shade. I'm gonna see you come up in the shade after me not mad. Who that?
Me, sister, me. Sister, you know, so I can't see her too long, sister, and everything, brother, sister. So I go on. Jamie. Yo, place big and nice, see?
Yeah, you like it?
Yo, so you have key, you come to the house like a gate key, I see.
Of course.
But, sister, so long, everything I saw.
For me?
Fit what? I buy?
No, you know, say it always come furniture, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm a man fine. No
me
man,
dey
you find
one man.
No man, you find and get a deal, yeah.
No man, no man me find.
So show me place, man. I could have
So
place.
come then, no?
Yeah,
Come
place
then,
nice. So sister, you're my sister, you know? Really and truly, you know, cause I appreciate the fact you left a place to make more space for go and do my thing, cause I don't know. So when my wife,
Really?
my white girl come through, you know, she can actually get time for just, you know, spread out, cause she fat. You know, I love my fat to them, you know, cause green care that. But where you say I go on now? Hmm?
Bro,
Oh, your place I stay. Your place nice, that's true.
the place nice.
Come back, come here.
But-
How much you spend?
How much was it?
How much you spend for your
Me not
amount?
tell her that. Where you want what that for? I know, 40,000 a month.
Alright, you spend 40,000 a month. Say, you give me 80,000. But sister, you have money, man. So all the time, I beg you food money for buy some stuff. You don't give me no money. And you have money, sit down, pan.
I know some me have money.
Remember, say you had to give me excuse, but you have to show pardon, crash. And them sin thing there, you know.
Yeah, come here, save up to find one place to rent.
So make you tell your brother a lie. You never have to tell me no lie, sister.
I never did that.
So why you got on your true?
Then sometimes me no gear it said we.
Give who? Well, like what? Half fight. If me beg a 1,000, you give me 5 bills. If me beg a 2 bills, you give me $100.
At least me still look for you and gear.
Sister, me rate you, but me no rate you deal with me star sometimes. Cause right now me tell you say, me fatty white you and come for us and do a nice place, man. Me
What?
Can, when I listen to me, I say, man, me can tell her right now, say right now, rent one place. And I guess me rent and me give her money tight. You understand me? I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that me
So
talk
much
about.
money would I give you a time?
I give her a thing.
What kind of thing?
I mean one thing like on ginger beer, you know what I mean? I joke with me, man. When I give her money tight, man, because you don't know something different.
You know, so your journal? Your journal, you know, what they call the street code more than me. You can't come fool me. Oh.
What you mean, say me a general?
Yeah, journal.
To a general for somebody case.
You will say that because you want scam off where to one money and then you can give me $1,000, one 5 bills. Like
Enough money. Are you US not talk about, you know? If me give you 1,000 US right now, that's $150,000. Not true. For you, if you can maintain even 4 months, 3 months, how much that? 120, 2, 4 into 10 goes. 4 into 10 goes 3 times. 4 into 5 goes 1 time. So you can't pay rent for a few months. You understand me? I say? So you can have that for settle and secure yourself. But what me I say, just make it go on, man. Come here, tell you what, yo, I said the couch still?
Yeah, you're not even seen a room yet.
In room?
Yeah.
No, I see a room, man.
No, I'm not sure you in them all the hotels, so you're allowed to go.
Yeah, everything good, man. So hold on, that the man the way you say around so. He come a yard, you know. What man, what you do with him? So I go and
I break up with him, I tell him if you not call that.
but a man say he give you the first rent money.
Give who first rent? He not even. Hello, don't run with me, no, because that the man they never used to give me money. And me used to give money. Your bright and face the boy give me first.
Yo, you see that's me still, you know. Me prefer just have a girl that come and go, you know, the went them, you know. You understand me? I say, you see right now how you talk is sound and grateful, you because remember when the man used to give you money, me seen give you money already, you know. He give you life cash. How much cash that? Enough money, you know. But you know, remember them time, you know, true?
Hello?
Sister,
I mean, pick up for already, man.
I pick up for principle. Means a street you. If me never have certain principle on the street, me gone already, no, sister. Gone away. I tell you, I sing about me long time, posting on Facebook and sitting. Tell me she that.
You.
Sister, right now, I'm still going to burn a big spliff.
Huh?
Can you imagine they saying just circle around that place?
You know of a place?
No, I'm not saying that your place. I say just imagine. But the place kind of spooky though. I don't know why. I just feel one little energy. You know what I mean? Boom, but I left my guard ring.
Why you left your guard ring?
Oh, me earth forward on man. Because I know you, you know. Right, you see, I bet you cook. You cook, not true?
Of course, I cook a long time.
Food done, not true?
Food done.
Boy, I don't know.
Eat, sleep, and wake
yo,
up.
I say, you're the first sister me ever see. See? While we go in the fridge and take out 1 chicken leg and cook it. And you cook it 1 chicken leg like say you cook. You cut up a kind of 15 different seasoning. And you cook it like say one whole pot full. And you go in that pot and look. You see gravy. I mean, I said, say 1 chicken leg, mama. No, if you do better than that, man. I tell you, living short.
I mean, you want to live.
Alright, hear me, I say.
Yeah.
We can get something to drink.
But, bro, before me get something to drink, you believe in that?
You're mad, man. I'm sitting there. Yo, you see, why you asking me if my gathering? Me left my gathering today asked me something about dopey business. Dopey don't exist. You understand me? I said, them things are real, sister. Thoughts attract that upon which it is directed. So if you direct your mind pan dopey, you go see dopey. Me no direct my mind pan dopey because me not no dopey business. You understand me? I say, yeah. I want to you, what I say that, how?
No, I just want to look at some. No, a normal
What go on and stop you, see that within your love. Go on like say you start story and then let me off.
Alright, you see today, when me done eat, me lie down and I said to you, I know to God, me cover up with the sheet come up here, so I say, me wake up, the sheet down here, so.
Turn up, you put it. What the bump down, man? What, yo?
No, me the
listen
cover.
to me. Listen to me, I say. See, the amount of sleepwalk you sleepwalk in a house, then you look. You see that right there, sir? You remember where you get it? You remember where you get it?
Oh, I get it.
You remember where you get it? You can't remember because sleepwalk and you bust your head on it. I saw your stasis from them time then. Nobody believe in a foolishness. Me if you say, somebody take up your put over there. How want you live here? Eh? You laugh like a joke business.
You see, that's why sometimes I don't talk to you, know. Because
I'm real. I'm telling you the truth. You
when
know.
When I talk to me feel like me an idiot.
No matter idiot, me I say believe kill and believe cure. You understand me I say? What cause is not because but all me I say to you is that you need to understand, say, you need to take your mind about certain things, guys. You see, if you see Bible, you see Bible, roll on me a talk, you see that me a talk about my sister. You hear me, man? I saw your next sister go on and love cow talk over me.
Don't compare me with she.
See, you love cow talk over me and them something. I don't understand. I come here rasta.
Go on, talk.
I come here ball on the side and rasta top. Eh?
No, bro.
I them the thing that
chat too much
remember
sometimes,
chat, you see me I talk about, that me I talk about, you shut me up, you know, before me even start talk.
Bro, talk if you talk.
I don't remember me I talk such a bit, but that's a problem. Because you know, my brain really 200%. But your sister, I remember some interested still.
Oh.
Remember the part there.
You remember that door, that not super brain?
I mean, I said, just give me something to drink. Water. Yo, black liver for you. Yo, give me, I rum that to know. When I come and see it?
Yes.
That that to know, because spirit business that to know.
Me no want
spirit that to know. I jump right now. Look come here. You see the jump? It's a jump,
That jump,
it's a jump, man. It's a jump. Leave you alone. Certain things you leave alone. Buy your own thing. It's like say, if you go around right now and find money. If you find money, where you first thing I spend it on?
Food.
You see that your problem. When you go down your belly and then curse the backside, you know what you can't do, it can't come out. So your belly grow big.
That long time
you feel so? Okay. You never feel. It's when you find money on the road, you buy equipment, you buy goods, you buy things. You don't buy stuff for go in your belly. That is NO. You understand me? I say? Yeah, you buy deodorant, put on your arm. Because I know so right now you're not built for a man, not true. I don't know.
I mean, one live, you know?
That your excuse always.
Me one live.
Nasty
Nobody
people
now
always
come
say
on
that.
me.
I mean, one live. Then go put on plate right now.
You don't smell me?
Duh. Give me a little drinks, please.
You know, say no, man.
Just give me a little drinks.
Let me get a juice, cause.
You know, you say that about dopey. I don't understand what you talk about dopey business.
You're right, you know, bro.
Yo, give me some rum to you answer, because I'm not an idiot thing answer. Give me a little bit of rum.
I'm not giving none.
Huh?
No, sir. Awa.
Sister.
Huh? Bro? What do you? What? What happened to you? What? Bro? Drink your water. What happened to you? You have a care guard, doctor? What do you have? don't go to the house get fresh air.
How are you? Brother, I might shut your one box. How are you? Okay. See there. You need to get up. I don't pay a shovel here. I don't pay a play with you. Alright. Let me show you something. Make a take out the back there. Then you say when Dopey a trouble you mash it. Shut. Stop me. Tell me that. Me listen to you feel Dopey trouble you. Listen to me. Move. Pick up now.
Pinky. Pinky.
Say I thought now. Eat me a hero.
Pinky, me say, yo. You feel say pretend, no Joe?
No.
You feel say a fake thing a while ago?
No.
So you know so much about it?
What do you mean by me? Tell you something. I'm covered by the most. I God, look for me. I can know when something to me people them.
What make you do there?
My sister, where you gathering there? Where you gathering there?
No, listen to me, I say Pinky.
In the first place, why you left without it?
Alright, you must say. I'm going to sister. I'm see Dopey down there. And from me see Dopey Pinky, me can't chat. Me I say, what do me? You understand? But me I try to tell sister, but me don't know if she. Why me don't know? Oh, that yo, sometimes you get some place, me I tell you, you know. I don't know what go on in the yard because that the Dopey there. What dog in the yard there?
Powerful.
Powerful. Me can't chat. Pinky, me try to chat and me can't chat. I straight me run on the street, a ball come up on the street. Yo, me say, all the dirty brown guy I live around there, so I be a laugh when you see me. Why me don't know what I'm going? Yo, me
Why?
yo, me say right now, me don't know what to do. But sister call you?
Me don't get no call it, but look at the fun and joke I say, I would have laughed too.
What you say I laugh to?
Cause if me no use steer,
I'm dumb out.
if me no use steer, so me no would have to laugh. If me had the woman name, would have to laugh. You get what I say?
No. Yo, me thinking if you call sister and check for her, you know. That's all me I tell you, cause right now, me I tell her, I want, it come like I want hand to those dopey place in go live. Me now go back down there.
Hold on, spin a roll. Before you come in, so spin a roll. One more time. Yeah, that is good.
Awesome. I can't believe it all now. That's our first class. Come on, believe it. Oh, yeah, look. Yeah, what push it now?
Brother.
Eh?
Brother, move.
Move forward.
Brother, move.
Kick, sweet in the show. Kick. You ever sit up yet?
Eh?
You ever sit up yet?
I mean, and they can't come near me.
Can't come near the show.
Me too powerful for them.
Everything good, man. What me I tell you God the truth. Yo, what me see today, I never see them in life yet. I never think when I see in a real sun hat. Cause I go down and feel in a sun hat, you know. I'm a beggar, I want money and yo, I don't know.
But brother, see you good now. No go back down there.
Go back down there. You don't have to tell me that 2 times.
No go back down there. Yeah? Cause bad man like how you come in.
Me say, we me grab my neck to beef, but I'm a kerchief. Dash you, I'm not to realize it, God.
I see, come in, you left without kerchief and then you come out without kerchief. You show us anyone you get there, I choke you. Eh?
You can't say anything you are saying.
Anyways, me cook. But when me cook, you not eat.
Ah, that's why my dirty stinking pork, not true. Everything good, man. Everything good.
Osh, man, that's how you go.
Me get a little $1,000 and I go buy one food. Me can't go, thank you, Jesus, me can't talk. Yo, I saw you feel yes. No, sir. It's not a good feeling. Can't express yourself. You want to tell the person what I'm going to everything good, man. Can you trust me? Name a pork.
Good man.
Yeah, man. Name a damn pork. You see you?
You feel grateful for me and that's what you do.
Grateful for you.
Which way do you go to and then make a chat?
Where that shoes?
How much part place you walk a while ago?
Yeah, clean up.
Then make a chat.
Yeah, clean up, sir.
What are they?
Yeah, because I must say around I back cause them living in
And you
there.
can clean up that the
Clean
glass
up
back there, because guess what? Are you me cut and clear?
Hey, do what you do. Do what you do.
Watch him. May the Lord go with you. When you
Masuko!
walk when I say don't push you just shangle your nastiness. Nonsense.
Hey, cuz, what's up? Yeah, me alright. You?
Yeah, so long time I see you. You good though?
Yeah, me good.
Alright, so I went all house me, but I don't see you. So where is it?
Yeah, break up. What you say?
We did check the old house one time, but I never see you. Where is it?
Oh, you know, so me move out. Me live a Sav now. Hey, brother just left from here, so you see him?
No, I don't see him. But you know, say, I saw the location, I leave then.
You want me location?
Come in, come in, I saw right now. I want to come check you.
Alright, me go send you it.
Okay.
You know, there's something the little boy they want kind of normally call me phone, so you know. I wonder what you want now. Let me send my location. How that?
No me, man.
Cuz boy?
Yeah. Oh, go America.
You good?
I'm a good one. I saw the place look nice.
No, the place nice.
Like you just move it. So, I want you moving because your place look brand new.
You know, say 2 days ago I move in.
2 days now.
Oh,
So what, me can sit down?
yeah, I can sit down, feel free, man, you know, say. So what you want?
I don't want nothing, I want you, man. Come in.
Alright. So welcome to my humble abode.
So you reach y'all have iPhone, watch out. Place look nice, man. So, just I come in, you know, I'll take flight and something, I come from Mobile. So, all the place are nice, man, you can like stay for the next 2 weeks.
Huh?
Yeah, I think so.
You want to do it?
Me I say the place look nice, you couldn't stay for 2 weeks, you know.
Kimani.
Mm.
Nothing wrong if you stay so for 2 weeks, you know. But as if your friend and company them, me and them not gonna work. Because
We are talking about
no,
my
man.
friend and company. We are talking about, you're not worry about that. I just, me alone, I don't like some of your people, you know.
You're sure? Because them have a tendency if you find you anywhere you're there, you know.
Don't worry about them, the people, them. You know who you for worry about? You for worry about your brother.
What go on for him? Him want bad influence, you know. Boy, I don't even want to start on him, you know. Him want him here to worry about.
Me not worry about my brother. Me know say it wanna get along, but you know feel live good in our family. You know are one blood. You understand me?
Show me the way to rate him, you know. I him for know that, I him you for tell that, cause I him start everything.
What happened to you? Relax yourself. You say you come here so fi stay for 1 2 weeks. Alright, fine. But make sure say no friend and me no want no woman in my yard. You hear? If you want woman in my yard, you have to pay me. You have to pay me.
Me have to pay you.
Yeah. But by the way,
So we
talking
are
about
blood,
paying you. Really and truly, me know you in a Kimani. Where you want?
Boy, right now I'm kind of low on the funds, you know. More than deal with like $2 grand. If you could help me with that. I even just half it right now, you know.
Boy. Me know say something you did want me to come here, no.
No,
Normally you don't call me phone, you know. Only when I want something, you call me phone. See, there you want something to stay and you want money on top of it.
I don't like it. I too much that come in my soul, blood in your family.
Oh.
Not really that much, you know.
We have blood, we have family now. And the day when I make you for money, you give me a look for me, I give you no. But me go get it still, me go get $1,000. Because that me have 1,000. You good with
I have brother me did send money go key. And then tell him to give you half it, but you're saying stay and take your whole lot of money and even tell us you get no money. I just saw him turn man.
But brother,
That's why I even rate him really.
But you know you tell me saying get no money for you.
That's the thing, me give him money. Ask him about the money there. He probably stutter. I saw him turn man.
Oh, I see the procedure. You know, say no, me did tell up on the phone, say live for you. You know, too long gone.
Boy, him for gone, you know, for turn. You know, some dirty style about him. I like to rate him.
Boy, you're rough. But anyways, I'm going to go in my room.
Alright.
I'm going to pick up something and come back. Yeah?
I want bedroom.
I want bedroom, so if you stay, you have to stay on the couch.
Alright, I'm staying in the couch, no, no.
You understand?
Alright then.
Pass my phone, give me, please.
Boy, I feel thirsty now. Yeah, I walk in a sonnet. Carry there shop right now, but you have no drinks in the fridge.
You're full of chatting about it.
Don't worry about that. I ask you a question.
But
you have drinks in
anyway,
the fridge?
help yourself. See fridge there. Go and go take out what you want.
Alright. Watch out, two-door fridge.
Hey! Stop it! Jesus Christ!
Come on in. Why you not take care of me? Why you not take care of me? No choice. This is a warning.
I'll bring you back. Hey! Hey! Boy! So I think it's very comfortable in your new dumpy house. Eh? The house where you boss over. Yes! You know about it? Say you don't know say. When brother come back, because brother say come check you. When brother come back, me brother. So I say, no, sir. I'm like, yeah, wow. Say sit up in your house.
Oh, cause me ask him what happened to him, you know, and me like give him water, me lick him back and so. Me don't know say Duppy sick, and me ask him.
He Duppy know me. Duppy know me. Girl, you saw me take up your red stripe back, I'm go so. Rum. A brother start chat back. Hey.
What a out of Duppy.
What a out of Duppy.
You know, so came and he come here today, and he just run out of the house like, me don't know what happened. He look like I Duppy inside too, you know.
Hey. And me tell you something, you know. No, Duppy never play with me. I ever try come near me, you know, so me tell you something, you know. You see, anyone who go pick up the Duppy there, carry back. Go bury it back.
It Duppy now come down here, so that's why Duppy located.
Okay.
What you gonna do down all the way down here, so? It Duppy not even know down here, so.
Feel like, body feel so.
How?
Body feel.
Pinky, how?
See Duppy there.
You know, so you take serious things to joke.
What?
And you need to stop it because it's serious. And you know, so me I go to the man there for my money do. Because I don't know how if he give me house and Duppy in there.
And that's how the man get the house. That look dirty man. I wonder if I might control the Duppy down there.
I don't know, but me I go go to him.
Whoa. You know, alright, you know.
Brother.
What you doing?
Huh?
Huh? Where is it?
She come back.
Brother,
alright?
come here now.
Come here, what? Come to what?
So you go and
You-
suffer. What me do?
It come like you know set up when down there.
Me never know what. Me say, why? It up a
We are called boy, don't come no boy.
Not because I'm bigger than me.
Where is it come bigger than you?
Go and talk to you.
Every night.
I love you well. You fool of power.
And I left hand down here, you know.
Go away.
I look like fool, but say me I can't come here while I come this. You see you?
Me and me
You see you?
poor. Me and me
Give
poor.
me back
Why?
$1,000 then when me give you for buy food. Oh, Tada. Me say me never know say up in see, you know. It's a God up in heaven.
You want to go cut sister like a sister tell us if you come down there, connect up with Duppy. Eh? Watch him. Nonsense.
And you know, say a friend him come in up, he start show up himself.
Rubbish.
I could as all him carry down there.
Me feel like I hear me now.
Because remember, say he have an gathering, you know.
Ah, that. So you take off his and bring it up down there.
And left it down there. And make it up strong with this man.
Rubbish.
Grab me by my throat.
Eh?
Yeah, the person grab me by my throat and say me fi feed him. Me say me go feed your girl. I pack me bag and I take my food.
Father, I have finished. I have finished. So me,
No,
no want it up if you come for next.
No, I don't pick come for you. I know that's Sunday.
Hey, you know what? No man.
Me I go bathroom, me soon come.
The way I do man, I have a solution for you. You look dirty Duppy. What if you go up there? No, you must be mad. If Duppy come, changle man kill me. Because they said it third somebody at death. If you kill me, you must be mad. Hey, you done beat off it Duppy or fire. It dirty Duppy. Hey, me I don't believe in that smart Duppy, you know. You know, say more you talk about the Duppy and more you appear. Yeah, done beat. Huh? Why you leave?
What? What you talking about?
No food.
What?
No juice.
Pinky.
Why you leave?
Pinky. Oh, what? What you move so? What you do? Stop that. No, dear, you idiot. What you do? Pinky, what? Pinky.
Huh? Eh?
Oh,
Huh?
what?
Me gone.
Ooh.
He dumpy! He dumpy! Coming at me! Who's coming at that boy? He dumpy coming at me, girl.
When then?
Listen. Listen. One of these dumpy come follow me up here.
Oh, enough of look.
Listen.
Oh, enough of look.
Dumpy.
Wow.
Dumpy.
Pinky. Yeah.
The dumpy. The dumpy now long black hair. How? Me don't know if I red or a blue in a dress. But the dumpy.
Went on.
He jumping at me.
Me?
What is it? Brother, me I come. Here I come. Girl, me now tell ya.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Every day I pray for a better day. Struggle seems to always be blocking the way. I'm on a mission to fulfill my dreams. Trouble is all I see. Wake me up when it's my time for victory. Set my spirit free. Yeah. Oh, they say love is the key, but every door has been broken. No, I'm just trying to stay alive. I'm just tired of all these lies. Gotta save my sanity. Yeah, please wake me up when it's my time for victory. Set my spirit free. Yeah, wake me up. Yeah, every move I make, I'm always missing one step. Gotta find the strength to move. God, it hurts to lose, but we not give up. Yes, I'm gonna move along, but today I'm not feeling strong. Now pain got the best of me, so I'm gonna lay down. Wait.